Youth is the gift of nature, but age is a work of art. With age comes wisdom, but sometimes age comes alone. Do not regret growing older. It's a privilege denied to many. The older I grow, the more I listen to people who don't talk much. Old age is like everything else. To make a success of it, you've got to start young. The old man has clear eyes because he looks at everything with his heart. Age is a case of mind over matter. If you don't mind, it don't matter. The young man knows the rules, but the old man knows the exceptions. In youth, we learn. In age, we understand. The heart never grows old. An old man in love is like a flower in winter. Experience is the comb that life gives a bald man. The older the fiddle, the sweeter the tune. Age is not how old you are, but how many years of fun you've had. You can't help getting older, but you don't have to get old. The years teach much which the days never knew. When an old man dies, a library burns down. Old age is not a disease, it is strength and survivorship. Triumph over all kinds of vicissitudes and disappointments, trials and illnesses. The older I get, the greater power I seem to have to help the world. I am like a snowball, the further I am rolled, the more I gain.